Good morning, welcome to another video. I'm at Lamborghini Sterling today. Our friend, unfortunately, Randy, passed away. Many of you guys know. And today we're doing a really nice memorial cruise for him around the Washington, D.C. area, Maryland, Virginia. And I am right now at the Lamborghini Sterling. And we are about to line it up and start heading out towards the meetup place. Most everybody is here at the Lamborghini dealership, 8:30 in the morning. Hey, what's up, brother? What's up, man?
If you guys haven't already, put your note in the box, please do that. We're gonna leave in about 5 minutes. Probably we're gonna follow the Raptor or just put it in Waze in Montgomery Mall. It's not a race, just drive slow.
Hundreds of people are already here already. Line up right here. Raptors. It's a line of cars. The line goes on to R34. I think this was Randy's at some point. We got the line going. This is all for you, Randy. The upcoming media crew. Oh, we got the whole squad in the house today. And then we got more media guys over here. It's a media party. Let me know what you guys think about this GT2 RS. Here's something. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Hey, it's crazy right now. And it's going like literally all the way to Cheesecake. So they asked people to just like line up right here, and it's and people, it just started, so people will pull up in the next 30 minutes. The meet just started. The famous Honk Terry, he's giving kids advice. Okay, we got everybody lined up and everybody is in their cars. Not too long ago, he would come here and park all his cars right here. He would have an amazing cars and coffee. And today, we are here and he's not with us. We miss you a lot. All these guys, and his guys, not even 1/10 the people that love Randy. Randy, you impacted a lot of people's lives.
window. I want to try to block that shit. Oh, hell yeah. Look at the tow trucks. Stadium. Holy shit, look at those cars. This light is like stuff. I'm just following him. Probably the other way. That's bad. The garage, yeah.
Hey, DC car scene!
I was riding the back of the
What up?
Hello. Hey.
Check this out.
Hey.
He got some the flames.
Oh, that's it. Shout out to Street Speed for sending the giveaway car. Got the spicy boy here.
What are you out here?
And a lot of people. This is the midpoint to the next charity event.
Dude, hold that camera.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Original.
Everybody's got to have a beater car, man. Like yeah.
They're hitting the brakes.
Shout out to Potomac Towing and Recovery. Big shout out. We are back in the car, going to the next location, which is a charity event. We are giving back, and a lot of folks are coming. Good job. People out here, and we are ready to rumble and give back to the community. Come on, let them on. I just got to the second location and found this amazing parking lot for me. I'm about to go meet up with the great guys, and this is insane. You guys got to definitely check this out. I'm gonna show you guys everywhere. Just got to check these cars out. The old school, they are right here. Hallelujah. Look at this, how big these wheels are. We got a, damn, man. And we got some Beetles. And then we're going towards the JDMs right here, the Hondas and Accords. Hey, the Raptor Immunity, baby.
Not the next one, but more so meets coming up, so we can all start work together on that.
We'll be here, man. Of course, we are here. Oh, excuse me. Yo, R.I.P. Armani. R.I.P. Armani. That's crazy. This is the Armani bike. Let's get it. Dude, Mr. Flames. Do you know Mike Ghazi?
No, I don't.
Oh, Mike Ghazi is the official Mr. Flames of the DMV. Bud, you're getting there. Meet again. Yo, Nick, did you see this?
What is this?
What is this?
I think it's a
Whoa.
Jeep, right?
Yeah, I guess so. Man, what the hell? That's
custom cut.
crazy.
How weird is it?
custom cut the intake
That's
so
crazy.
that it feeds the turbo feeds the intake immediately. That's not supposed to be like that.
You're supposed to have like charge pipes and
Yes.
shit like that. So it's straight from the literally from the intake to the turbos. That's crazy. That's crazy. I just
It really is.
wow. Good setup. Because he has his bags on here. So this is definitely a hell of a build. Great job.
And on the back it says max speed 45 miles and 40 miles an hour.
That is funny. And
2 beefs in one hand.
yo, that's me. Thank you. Woo. Crazy. I mean, the pizza is nice too, but this is crazy. Sorry. Oh, look. There's definitely something going on here. Wow. I'm just mainly recording you guys eat, not the thing.
I don't have enough hands to eat, so
Dude, this is cool. Look at this shit. Yeah, that's Auto Design, yeah. He's right there. A lot of cool cars here. Wow.
a lot of things we're not used to seeing either.
Yeah, exactly. Like our area, it's so like either supercars or like, you know.
Tasteful builds.
Yeah.
I don't like modern
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah. God, the build GTRs. God, you see these tires and you should know. You should know. You see these tires, you should know you can't mess with these. Oh God. Pounds. The one and only Dustin. Tire popped? Oh no, tire popped. Oh, we're good, we're good. God damn.
We have a spare. I'm still gonna drive home. We have a spare. We have a spare.
Donut.
Yeah, drive it home with a donut.
Hey, it's a weave now.
Not only a customer, I'm also the president. Anybody get that, Bob?
I get it. I get it.
Someone got a shot at that, maybe.
Anyone get a good drone shot?
Yeah.
Oh, absolutely. We got